Today is June 5th. We found the bird and the egg.
June 4th, 14th. It's been about 10 days since we found them. The bird becomes thinner. I guess the baby is coming to the world very soon. Today is June 18th. We just found the babies. Today is June 23rd. The baby bird grows so fast. Look, it's big enough. June 23rd. We just found another egg. This time the egg is white. June 25th. The baby bird is big, grows so fast. The mother bird isn't here. June 30th. The baby is almost 2 weeks old. It grows so fast, almost as big as the mother bird. Is it learning how to fly? I guess it's learning flying. Wow, good job. Where's the baby bird? Wow! It just left the nest for the first time on July 4th. July 4th. The baby bird is 17 days old. It sleeps less and stands more often. Break time! The mommy bird was teaching the baby how to fly. It's raining hard. The mother bird came back to protect the baby